Okay, guys, just wanted to give you a round of updates. We are starting the week, and I wanted to start off the week right, keep you in the loop. Lots of stuff happening. A couple of different platforms that are launching this week, and some that are launching beginning of next week. Some platforms that are, um, launching some new products. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. There's no real, real way to set this up. Let's go ahead and just dive right in. Lots to cover. So real quick, not a financial advisor, as you guys may already know. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you are going to get into anything in the crypto space, anything in the passive income space, just know that there is risk involved. So do your own do your own due diligence, do your own research, and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Risk capital only. Also follow me on Telegram. I will leave a link for that down below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Just a crazy weekend we just had. I know I just had I didn't really have a chance to do any major updates. It was Easter weekend. We had family come in. So yeah, just kind of diving into these different platforms, going through my Telegram, getting getting just a round of updates, and just wanted to pass them all back to you guys to keep you guys in the loop. So let's go ahead and dive right in. SwapX, as you guys know, this is gonna launch. They put the hard date out. It's the 9th of April, which I believe is Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, next Tuesday. Let me just double check here. Got my phone in my hand right here. Let me pull up the calendar. Give me 1 second here. Man, my Telegram has been going bananas. Okay, so Tuesday, April 9th. Tuesday, April 9th. Yep, that is next Tuesday, because I'm making this video on April 1st, which is Monday. So that is going to be the hard date for the sale of the NFTs. So again, you need to have ETH on Binance Smart Chain. A couple of you guys have been asking me, hey, what do I need to have? Or do I need to have Ethereum? Make sure it is Ethereum on Binance Smart Chain. As we get closer and closer to that date, stay plugged into our Telegram. We're going to be giving you updates. Of course, I'm going to be doing videos, so stay tuned for that. Preparing you for that launch. But again, you need to have Ethereum on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, you can't have Ethereum on the Ethereum network. It's not going to work. You need to have Ethereum on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so again, just wanted to give you a heads up on that. I believe everyone that is on our list is set up. I think everyone is already situated. I don't have any major issues or anything like that. So if you hit me up and you're on our exclusive list, you are set to go. Okay. Everyone else is going to be on a first come, first served basis. So I believe the way it's going to work is anyone that has an exclusive spot on a list is going to have 12 hours to get in on the pre-sale. Then after that, it's going to be first come, first serve for whoever else is going to be able to get in. So again, we'll talk more about this as we get closer and closer to that. But super excited for this one. This is going to be a good one. You know, BB, who was from the original Drip on Binance Smart Chain, that team, okay, him and Forex Shark, they launched the original Drip. A lot of people did well on that, got in early, okay? People who got in late, just like any other project, if you get in late, you're not going to do so well, okay? But people who got in early on that project did extremely well. Is that going to be the same thing here? You don't know. There are no guarantees. Okay, all we could do is get in early on a project and then see what happens. So again, this is SwapX. We'll be talking more and more about this as we get closer and closer to that launch on Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. Okay. The other platform I want to talk about, I just jumped into this one, just did a video for this on Friday, was it? Actually, I did the video on Thursday and then I published it on Friday because I know it's going to be super busy. But this one here, this is called ConnectUnited. This one's been out for 2 years. Super bullish on this one here. This is a real long-term play for me. I think this is going to be around for a while. I really do. Guys from Debtbox, they all came from here. That's why you see some similarity. Not some. There's actually a lot of similarities. Now, some of you guys might be saying, well, you know, what happened to Debtbox, right? Well, you guys probably already know what happened to Debtbox. Okay, there were some issues that happened there, not because of Debtbox, but because of what happened with the SEC, right? And if you follow that story, you know what's happening with the SEC right now with that situation. They're getting hit left and right because of the way they handle the situation. So, I think if that didn't happen, DebtBots would still be running. It was a great project, and all those guys came from ConnectUnited. So check this out. Check out the video that I put out. It was really, if you watch that overview from beginning to end, solid overview. Talks about the different projects that these guys have, their ecosystem, their tokens. This one I think is going to be around for a long time. So if you're looking for a long-term play that you can sink your teeth into, this one I think has the legs to go for a long time. It's already been running for 2 years, so has a track record already. Okay, so check this one out. And then I did a tutorial on how you can set up your wallet, how to get started, how to purchase your nodes. I purchased 5 nodes right out of the gate. So check this one out. I think this one here has some good things in play. PhtoCap, this one here is going live on Friday, April 5th. So you can register, create a position, but it doesn't go live. You can't make a deposit until Friday. So we'll talk more about this one as we get closer to that date, but you can check it out. You want to kick the tires, check out the back office, create an account, all that sort of thing. But this one here goes live on Friday. It pays out every hour. Okay, so anywhere from 1.2% to 2.16% per day, depending on how much you put in, but it pays out by the hour. So check this one out. There is a binary that you can build with it, but it's totally optional. You don't have to build it out if you don't want to, okay? But again, this one here launches on Friday, so you can't make a deposit until then. Unity, this one here, the promo ends on Friday. We've been talking about that inside of our Telegram now for a couple of days. They do have a promo that you can get into. Third package, you can make up to 40% per month. After that, when the promo ends, it'll go back to 20% a month, which is still highly competitive. But why leave almost 20% per month on the table when you can get in now, right before the 5th. So again, this one here blowing up. Team has been blowing up. This one here, I think, has some good things happening. Again, the cool thing about this one is you don't have to lock your funds in. You can pull your funds out of the platform. Okay, after 30 days, you can pull it out penalty free. Before 30 days, you can pull it out 15% penalty. But still, the flexibility of being able to pull your funds out whenever you want, that's a pretty cool thing. Okay, so again, this one is called World Unity, or Unity World, Unity World. IntelBoz, just a quick reminder to do your withdrawal. It is Monday, so you can do your passive rewards. You can withdraw that. Of course, you can withdraw out your affiliate commissions anytime you want. But again, just wanted to do a quick reminder, since it is Monday, you can withdraw out your passive rewards from IntelBoz. This one here has been cranking out, been running smooth for now a couple of months. So yeah, check this one out. This one here, again, USDT in, TRC20, and USDT TRC20 out when you withdraw. TLC, Trade Like Crazy, another platform that's just been cranking, super smooth. No real major updates for this one, which is good in this space, but this one here has been cranking out as well. I think last month they did 18%. So again, this one does fluctuate from day to day, month to month, week to week, the payouts. But last month was a strong month. I think they did 18%. So check this one out. Again, you can go to their back office and see what their daily payouts look like. But again, this one is another USDT TRC20 in, USDT TRC20 out platform. You can start for as little as $20. And this one here has been running solid also. Shia Bank, this is another platform that's been cranking out. Of course, they had a promo running. The FP bond series was going to end on the 31st. They actually extended it out. I think they put another batch of bond series up for grabs. So I think it's like 50 million worth of bond series, FP bond series that they put out. So again, now when that runs out, it'll be over. So I don't know how long that'll take. If you want to get your hands on the FP bond series, they did an extension for that. After that allotment runs out, it'll be over. So this one here, again, this is another platform that's been cranking out. This one's been out for over a year. We got in a couple of months, a couple of weeks ago, but this one here has been running smooth for a year now. Again, this one is called Shia Bank. Cetti, another platform that's been just doing its thing, organically growing. TVL has been growing great. Membership base has been growing great. They launched their token last week. It's been running smooth. I mean, this is something we'll be talking about more as we go throughout the week, and we'll be doing some standalone updates for this one, so stay tuned for that. But did want to mention it because it has been cranking, and been doing its thing. Smiley Token, this one here, Smiley Tech, this one here has been another platform that's been doing its thing, definitely on the higher end of the risk scale. This one you have to watch your ads. If you don't watch your ads, you're not going to get paid your daily rewards. So again, as you purchase your bundle, make sure you watch your ads. Take a couple of minutes. You can watch 3 days worth of ads, because if you don't do that, you're not going to get your daily rewards. So just a quick reminder to do that. This is a DApp on Binance Smart Chain. So again, we'll talk more about this one. Definitely on the aggressive side, on the higher end of the risk scale. But again, I'm not saying that as a bad thing. You can hit your break-even point pretty quick. But just letting you know that, again, risk capital only, okay? AGRO, another platform that's just been doing its thing. This one's been in our portfolio now for a while, just in the background, paying out USDT TRC20 in, USDT TRC20 out. Again, this one pays out every Friday. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link down below. Trage Tech, this one we just got into. So again, we'll be doing more updates for this one. I'm liking it so far. Again, cool thing about this one is you can pull your capital out anytime you want. And again, pretty new in the space. And then last but not least is Mobility Share. This one, give me 1 second here. Yeah, so Mobility Share. This one, 2.5% a day is what you start off with. Just wanted to re-mention there is a promo right now. If you invite 5 people, you can get a $50 bonus. So lots going on. Just wanted to throw this out there, give you a rapid fire machine gun type video, give you a bunch of updates. Start off the week. I got some people working on the house right now, so this is not going to be a long video. And yeah, just wanted to give you a round of updates. Lots going on. We'll be back for more updates throughout the course of the week. A couple of platforms that are going live towards the end of the week on the 5th. A couple of platforms that are launching next week, like SwapX. Get ready for that. And then there's some new additions to our docket, like ConnectUnited, that I think have, again, already 2 years running, and I think can be around for a long time. There's a strong ecosystem, some real powerful people behind it. And if you watch that video, you can see their legal team. There's some really, solid, there's some solid people behind the platform. So check out some of these platforms. I'll leave some links down below. And again, all of these platforms, I do standalone videos. You can check them all out. And that's pretty much it. I will be back later on for some more videos, so stay tuned for that. As always, guys, risk capital only, and follow me on Telegram. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.